everyone, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Richelle and I'm a personal trainer, and I work with ABC Trainerize to help fitness professionals like you turn their passion into a thriving business. And now, as somebody who is both a personal trainer myself and has over 6 years of experience working with other business owners as a marketing consultant, I've seen firsthand how digital marketing can make or break a business's success. So whether you are just starting your fitness business or you're looking to scale an existing business, today's video is going to be a game changer for your digital marketing strategy. Now, I know as a personal trainer, marketing might be one of those things that's at the bottom of your busy to-do list, but let me share some quick stats that might just change your mind about that. Did you know that 80% of potential clients Google fitness professionals before making a decision? And once they've completed that search, the average person actually spends 2 to 3 weeks researching before choosing a trainer. This research process might look like visiting your website, checking out your reviews, looking at your social media pages. And the last one is that most clients actually visit 3 to 4 different trainer profiles before they actually make their choice. I've seen tons of amazing trainers with life-changing programs who nobody can find online. You might be spending hours recording and editing content just for it to get almost no views and no reach. So if this sounds familiar, stick around because we're going to be diving deep into a powerful tool that can change all of that for you. And it's something that you might have had access to this entire time and not even realized it. As a busy trainer trying to grow your online fitness business, you've probably got a lot on your plate. This could include things like spending hours creating social media content, responding to DMs that never convert, trying to piece together a professional website, wrestling with payment processors, managing booking systems, and struggling to stand out in a crowded market. And what's even more stressful, all this might be happening while you're trying to deliver amazing sessions to your clients, perfect your programming, continue your education so you can keep your certifications up to date, and actually have that oh so elusive and valuable work-life balance. And this is exactly why I'm so excited to show you abctrainerize.me. But before we get into it, let me be clear on something. This isn't just another platform for you to manage. This is about creating a complete digital marketing system that works for you 24/7. Think of Trainerize.me as your personal marketing team. It can work around the clock to attract your ideal clients, showcase your expertise, and convert interest into actual paying clients. So let's get into exactly what this tool is, how it works, and how it can help you reach more clients so you can change more lives. So what exactly is ABC Trainerize.me? Let's start with the basics. Trainerize.me is specifically designed for fitness professionals, which means everything that you need is built right into the tool. Similar to a website, you can think of Trainerize.me as your professional hub for everything. So let's explore 3 different ways that you can use your Trainerize.me profile. Number 1, it can act as your professional hub. So similar to a website, your Trainerize.me profile is designed with a professional layout and mobile optimized design for a fraction of the cost of traditional website development. When you set up your profile, you'll also get a custom URL, which is especially great if you are brand new and you haven't had the time or resources to create a full website just yet. Within the hub, you'll also see integrated booking and payment tools using the products that you create in your Trainerize dashboard to sell directly through Trainerize.me. You can also add links to your social media pages to encourage people to follow you and further explore your services or connect with you directly through DM to start their fitness journey. So the second way you can use your Trainerize.me profile is as a credibility builder. When you set up the page, there'll be prompts for things like your certifications and any specializations that you might hold, such as a pre or postnatal fitness certification, nutrition certifications, or anything else that you want to highlight that sets you apart from other trainers. You'll also be asked to fill out the number of years of training experience that you have, as well as a professional bio. Now, if you've never written a bio before, don't stress. We've got a free tool to cover you there too. Check out our professional bio tool just for trainers. All you have to do is respond to the prompts on the page and we'll generate you a free and professional bio that you can use across your websites and social media. So last but not least, when it comes to building credibility, you can include photos and videos either of yourself or of your clients to show people what kind of results you've been able to help clients achieve in the past. For instance, you might include a before and after of a transformation that you are particularly proud of, or even photos of you with happy clients to provide that social proof and show others what kind of trainer you are. And the final way that you can use your abctrainerize.me profile is as a service showcase. Using the program builder in your ABC Trainerize dashboard, you can create online programs and custom packages as products that you can sell directly through Trainerize.me. You can even include things like hybrid packages and programs, giving clients the options to book with you directly or purchase sessions through your page. And you can sell them all directly through your profile with integrated payments so that you're making sales even while you're asleep at night. So maybe you've already set up your abctrainerize.me profile, but you're not getting a ton of reach or bookings through your page just yet. One of the most powerful features that we offer through the abctrainerize.me platform is the featured trainers section. So if you want to become a featured trainer this year, we're going to show you how to maximize your chances of getting featured. You need to make sure that you're completing your profile fully. You would be surprised by how many trainers create the profile, but they don't end up filling it out with all the information. And as a result, they don't see a ton of leads or new business from it. When you're filling out your profile, you want to make sure you include things like a professional bio. Again, don't forget to use that professional bio tool linked in our description. High quality photos of yourself or your clients, a detailed description of what services and packages you offer, regular content updates. If you change locations or you decide to specialize in a new area, make sure you add that to your profile to keep things fresh and show the site that your page is active and in use. Lastly, do not forget to include those links to your other social media pages. Many times your abctrainerize.me profile is just the landing page that people use to discover you in search, but they might want to go to your social media profiles to get to know you on a deeper level. Here are a few basic do's and don'ts when it comes to setting up your profile for success. Let's start with the do's. Number one is you want to always start with your ideal client's biggest challenge and tailor your bio and service descriptions accordingly. Number two, you want to share your unique approach or your value proposition. What do you do different than other trainers? What are your own past experiences and why are you uniquely qualified to help this person? Number three, you want to include relevant certifications. Again, this can include things like your nutrition certification, a kinesiology degree, massage therapy, pre-postnatal, the list goes on and on. Number four, you want to add personality to your page. People want to work with people that they actually like, know, and trust. So don't be afraid to share some personal facts about yourself, maybe hobbies that you enjoy outside of work, to help people find common ground and build relationships. Number five, always use high quality photos on your page where possible. If you have the option or the budget for a professional photographer, great. But if not, most of us have a pretty good smartphone these days, and this camera is probably better than 90% of the cameras that have come before it. When you're taking your photos, you want to focus on using natural lighting and simple backgrounds as it will work best and keep the focus on you. Number six, when you're writing your profile, you want to focus on clear, organized information that grabs attention. So you can include things like clear, benefit-focused titles and paragraphs that are broken up into point form or smaller sections for better readability. And number seven, use progress photos from current clients, with their permission of course, and share client success stories. You can even throw in a recent testimonial to really drive home that social proof and show people why you're worth working with. So let's get into the what not to do. We've seen a lot of trainer profiles, and we can safely say it's best off if you avoid these things if you want your page to rank high and get noticed. So number one, don't list every certification or education related thing that you've ever done. Or you did training in the food service industry prior to getting into training. It can make for great conversation when you get to know the client, but you want to focus on the certifications that are most relevant and showcase your expertise in the area that you're currently working with or currently trying to attract clients. Number two, avoid writing huge novels of text. So sometimes less is more when it comes to writing out your profile and your bio. I'm sure that you guys have all done amazing things throughout the span of your career. If you can focus on the key highlights and things that are going to be most interesting to the clients that you want to attract, that's going to set you up for better success than writing out your entire life story from start to finish. When it comes to writing content, I like to use Coco Chanel's rule that applies to jewelry. She said that when you're getting ready, before you leave the house, always take off one piece of jewelry. The whole idea here is that less is more and it's quality over quantity. So don't be afraid to minimize to keep the focus where it matters. Number three, avoid using a ton of technical or industry jargon in your profile. Remember, the person that's reading this is going to be a client or potential client, not another trainer or fitness professional. Make sure you use simple, clear language that respects the fact that not everybody has the same level of knowledge about fitness as you do. And lastly, the biggest thing you don't want to do is focus only on yourself. Now, I know this sounds counterintuitive since it is your profile after all, but remember, the person reading this is the client. You want to put yourself in their shoes, read it from their point of view, and ask yourself, does this speak to me as the client and what I need and want in a trainer? Always write with the client at the front of your mind so you can create a profile that attracts them and converts them into somebody that wants to work with you to get results.